So loud, we are living in this cruel world. Broken but strong, gotta move on.